Hello, and welcome back to Highlights at Home. A popular fictional sea creature once said, "With imagination, I can be anything I want." This week, we're taking that message to heart by inviting you to have some fantastical fun, which is the theme of this week's Highlights at Home collection. My name's Allie, I'm an editor at Highlights, and I'm here to help you get the most out of these activities designed to celebrate all things mythical, magical, and full of whimsy. Even children who are maybe a little too old to still truly believe in fairies, dragons, or superheroes can still find great fun in reading fantastical tales or playing make-believe. Plus, reading about and playing in imaginary worlds actually has wonderful benefits for children. It gives them an opportunity to process their emotions and reactions in a safe place, distanced from the real world. Dramatic play and storytelling also encourage flexible thinking in young ones, setting them up to be better problem solvers in the future. When reading fairy tales or making up stories of your own, try to take turns telling parts of the story with your child. Switching up some of the details can help them become more adaptable to unexpected changes, and allowing them to let their own creativity guide the story can be great for their self-confidence. We hope this collection helps your child's imagination and creativity run wild as you explore worlds of monsters, mermaids, and magical beings. We'll be back soon with more free digital activities. In the meantime, take care and have some fantastical fun.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.